This video I will show you how you can change the icon size in Windows 10. There can be multiple ways, but I will show you only two methods. The first method is you need to right click on your desktop and click the display settings. In the display settings, you need to click the first item display, and then you need to come down at scale and layout. Over here you can see that you can change the size of the text, apps and other items. By default, in my case, it is selected to 150%, but depending upon the resolution of your own computer or laptop, it may be by default at 125% or maybe 100%. You need to check that one thing. Secondly, if you want to increase this size, you need to select the next higher percentage available level. So in my case, it is 175%. I'm going to select that, and as you can see that overall font of the whole window has increased, as well as the thing which was required, that we wanted to change the size of our Windows icons on our desktop, that has also been increased. Now if you want to reduce or decrease this icon size, then you can select 125%. Now you can see that the icons are much smaller, and even you can select the smaller one by selecting the 100% value. Depending upon your resolution of the computer, 125 or 150% would be better. So this was the first method to change the size of the icon on your Windows 10 desktop. However, the drawback was that the overall font of the whole window was changing. Now if you don't want to do that, if you just want to increase or decrease the size of your icons on desktop, you need to just press and hold the control button and move your mouse wheel back, and it will decrease the size of your icons. Now if you want to see larger icons on your desktop, you need to continue pressing the control button and move your mouse wheel